Can fair use protect you from a DMCA takedown notice? Imagine sharing a funny video or a clever meme online, only to get a sudden message telling you to remove it. You might wonder if there's any way to keep it up. Well, that's where the idea of fair use comes into play. But does fair use really protect you from a Digital Millennium Copyright Act or DMCA takedown notice? Let's find out. Fair use is a part of U.S. copyright law that lets people use copyrighted material without permission in certain situations. These include uses for criticism, commentary, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. When deciding if a use is fair, courts look at four main things. First, why are you using the material? Is it for something like education or commentary? Second, what kind of work is it? Is it a creative piece or a factual report? Third, how much of the work did you use? Did you take just a small part or the whole thing? And fourth, what effect does your use have on the original works market? Does it hurt sales or licensing opportunities? Now, a DMCA takedown notice is a tool for copyright owners to ask online platforms to remove content they believe infringes on their rights. When someone receives a takedown notice, they usually have to take down the content quickly. But here's the thing. Fair use can be a defense if you believe your use qualifies. However, it's not an automatic shield. If you respond to a takedown notice claiming fair use, you might send a counter notice. This is a formal statement saying you believe the content was removed by mistake. If the copyright owner disagrees, they can file a lawsuit. It's important to know that sending a false or misleading takedown notice can lead to legal trouble for the person who sent it. Under the DMCA, if someone knowingly misrepresents infringement, they can be held liable for damages. So, copyright owners should carefully consider fair use before issuing a takedown. For creators, if you get a DMCA notice and think your use is fair, you can file a counter notice. This involves providing your contact details and a statement under penalty of perjury that you believe the takedown was wrong. If the copyright owner doesn't respond within a certain time, the platform might restore your content. In summary, fair use can be a defense against a DMCA takedown notice, but it doesn't automatically protect you. You need to be able to prove that your use meets the fair use criteria. Always consider whether your use falls into one of the fair use categories before posting or responding to a takedown. Being aware of these rules helps balance protecting creative works and allowing free expression online.